What is up everyone, welcome to the Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy F62 or M62 network not working or network not showing problem. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix network or data not working problem in F62 or M62, first of all you just need to go to settings and then go to mobile data settings and then follow the step as I am showing you in this video.